My vitamin C plus collagen Brighten and Firm Serum is perfect for someone with dull and tired skin who wants to start using vitamin C for brighter, firmer, and more radiant skin. This is a serum that's power-packed with 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, very different. It also has collagen amino acids and my proprietary energy complex to brighten and to boost cellular metabolism and to build collagen. This formula works in both the water and the lipid phases of the skin. Those two don't mix. You need to treat them separately. And it revs up your skin instantly. Everyone will notice your skin is more radiant. It also helps reduce inflammation. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. Now, for people who are looking to prevent and tackle anti-aging, I recommend the following regimen. After applying the vitamin C serum, apply its sister product, the vitamin C eye cream, all over the eye area that gives your skin a beautiful, radiant, firmed look and gets rid of those tired-looking eyes. Then, of course, you want to moisturize. If your skin's really on the dry side, use this product. This is the vitamin C deep cream. Really hydrates, beautiful radiance, and has a great finish that makeup goes directly over it. But if your skin's more on the oily side, let's use the hyaluronic acid moisture cushion. It's oil-free and perfect for that skin type.